Girl, are you a parking ticket? Cause we got fine written all over you. Whatcha? Whatcha what is? Me, ya talk to sir? Yeah, you shoddy. And I think you owe me a drink, cause when I saw you, I dropped mine. What a man let? No a empty cow's bag, juice bag me just here with. If I style you want come style me and get my $20, it nah go work. And I want make you what's wrong, sir? You will want touch farini? I'm actually from New York. I look so. Oh, I just didn't want to look like I got paper on me and make criminals target me. But you don't look like you have none. Let me take you out and you'll see. Sorry, but me not go out with the deported. What? I wasn't deported. I'm on vacation. Eh? So yeah, man like you would have took a girl like me. Hmm. How about we have brunch at Juicy Patty's? But here this big dirty footman boy want carry good girl got juicy. We can buy cheese pat. Sir, I beg you move your fly by night pitch by the episode of broke self and move out of my face. Move out of my face, sir, move out of my face. That little boy bright see?